So, in PR Mathematics 1, completing the square is one of the important topics you could find. Okay. So, in completing the square, there are a few different methods. There are few different types of completing the squares, such as x plus a the whole square plus b, ax plus b the whole square plus c, a of x plus b the whole square plus c, a minus x plus b the whole square, etc. These are a few kinds of completing the square types. So we have to go through each and every type one by one. Like suppose we have a question, express x square plus 4x plus 8 in the form x plus a the whole square plus b. Suppose we have a question, express x square plus 4x plus 8 in the form x plus a the whole square plus b. So in that case, the work is simple. Though it's a lengthy process, actual method is a lengthy process, we are going for a shortcut. In actual process, we are going to make a square plus 2ab plus b square as a plus b the whole square. But here, in our AS level mathematics, we are going to make it as a simple short method. So what we are going to do is, let's take the quadratic expression x square plus 4x plus 8. Here, let's see the first term. And step number 1 is take the square root of term 1. You have to understand this method is for making an expression in the form of x plus a the whole square plus b, and see the difference here, x as a coefficient 1. So only for that case we can do this method. See here, the x square has a coefficient 1. So what you need to do first, take the first term and take the square root of term 1. So the square root of term 1, that is square root of x square, you know that is x. Now look at the second sign there, second term, between the term 2 and term 1, the symbol is plus. Now we are moving to the next term. Look at the middle term is 4x. So the next step is take half the coefficient of middle term. Take half the coefficient of middle term. As our middle term is 4x, the coefficient of 4x is 4. So half of 4 is 2. That to be written here. So work is very simple. First you have to consider the first term, which is x square. Take the square root of that, which is x, plus half of 4 is 2. Now place a square here. It's in the form of a plus b the whole square. Minus, what is the second term here? Subtract it with the square. Plus the last term, 8. So the work is very simple. The square root of x square is x, plus half of 4 is 2, the whole square minus square of 2 plus 8. So we get it as x plus 2 the whole square minus 2 square is minus 4 plus 8 is plus 4, which is in the same form of x plus a the whole square plus b. If you do one more question, like maybe x square minus 7x plus 15. So our term is x square minus 7x plus 15. Here the same process. First term, take the square root of first term, that is x, sign is minus, take half of second term, coefficient of second term, It is 7 by 2. Either 7 by 2 or 3.5. Anything can be written there. So 7 by 2 minus is 7 by 2 the whole square plus 15. That's equal to x minus 7 by 2 the whole square. Now we need to calculate this portion. So let's take the calculator and do it. So it is 15 minus 7 by 2 the whole square. We are getting 2 3 by 4. 2 3 by 4 or that's same as 11 by 4. Okay. So you can write the answer in fraction as well as decimals. So this is about the first form of numbers, first expression. Now you may get questions like some other questions. If we call like, suppose we have a question, express 9x square minus 6x minus 3 in the form ax plus b the whole square plus c. Express 9x square minus 6x minus 3 in the form ax plus b the whole square plus c. So here you have to be very careful. The coefficient of x is not 1. The previous form, the coefficient of x was 1, but here it is not 1. It is a here. And also you see the coefficient of x square is not 1, it is 9. So what you have to do here is, work is very simple. See here, x has a coefficient a along with it. So here also the same process you have to follow. For the first term, let's place a square. Now the first term is 9x square. So take the square root of 9x square, which is 3x minus this negative sign. Now the middle term is 6x with coefficient 6. So what you have to do? 6 divided by 2, half of the middle term. That you have to write here. But here is a problem. The problem is x has a coefficient 3. As x has a coefficient 3, that also to be divided here. So once again, take the middle term. The coefficient of middle term is 6. Take the half of 6 along with the coefficient of x to be multiplied. So we get it as 6 by 6, that's equal to 1. So this number will be 1. So the same 1 square to be subtracted along with minus 3. So we get it as 3x minus 1 the whole squared, minus 1 square minus 3 is minus 4. In the form of ax plus b the whole square plus c. Same format. If we do another question, let's look at another question like 4x square plus 20x plus 30. 4x square plus 20x plus 30. So here x square has a coefficient of 4 and we are asked to find ax plus b the whole square plus c. Here a is along with x and ax has the whole square here. So what we have to do is 4x square plus 20x plus 30 can be written with a binomial square. Now the first term is, take the square root of first term, square root of 4x square is equal to 2x. Now plus the second work is, take the middle term is plus 20, and you know you have to take the half of 20, but here x has a coefficient 2, so that to be multiplied. So we get 20 divided by 4, that's equal to 5. So your second term will be 5. So that 5 square to be subtracted plus 30. So we get the final result as 2x plus 5 the whole square plus minus 5 square plus 30, that is minus 25 plus 30 is plus 5 as answer. Okay. So we have gone through two different types. Now we are going to the third type. The third type is express a quadratic in the form a of x plus b the whole square plus c. A of x plus b the whole square plus c. You can see the difference here. A is not only the coefficient of x. A is a common term outside the square bracket. Okay, let's see one question. 2x square minus 12x plus 9. So here what they meant to say is you have to take a constant outside the bracket. We have to take something common. So because a is not along with x here. So let's look at the question. 2x square minus 12x plus 9. And make sure that you are doing all the calculations with first two terms. The last term or the constant is just written there. That is meant only for the final calculation of constant. So 2x square minus 12x. When you look at 2x square minus 12x, you could find 2 is common for both of these terms. Even if 2 is not common also, you have to make it as common. We will see what to do for that case. Here 2 is common for both of the terms. So let's take 2 as a common term. So we get here x squared minus, when 2 took outside from 12, it is 6x plus 9. Now what I have to do is 2. Now it looks like our first method with coefficient of x square is 1. So what do? We'll write the square root of x square. Square root of x square is x minus, we'll take the half of 6, that is 3 minus 3 square plus 9. So make completing the square here and write. Now there is a common 2 outside. Multiply this 2 inside the bracket for both the terms. So we get 2 of x minus 3 the whole squared minus 2 times 3 square. 3 square is 9, 2 is 18 plus 9. So we get it as 2 times x minus 3 the whole square minus 9 as a result. Okay, let's see another one question. So in this question, what they meant to say is 2x square plus 7x plus 5. Express 2x square plus 7x plus 5 in the form of a of x plus b the whole square plus c. So here also you have to make a common term outside. That means here when you look at this expression 2x square plus 7x plus 5, you could find 2 is common for x square. So let's make 2 as a common term outside from these two terms, from 2x square plus 7x. Of course, plus 5 is here. So when you take 2 as a common term from the first term 2x square, it remains here x square plus. But when you take 2 as a common term from 7, what remains here? It will be 7 by 2. 7 by 2x. So how you got it? Let's see. We can write the number 7 as 2 times 7 by 2. If you multiply a 2 and divide it by 2, the value never changes. So this 7 can be written as 2 times 7 by 2. So that you can take a 2 as common. So we get 2 of x square plus 7 by 2, x plus 5. Now this one to be made as completing the square. So we get 2 in bracket. Same method, square root of x square is x plus half of 7 by 2 you have to do, that is 7 by 4 minus 7 by 4 the whole squared plus 5. So we get 2 to be multiplied inside. So we get 2 of x plus 7 by 4 the whole squared minus 2 times 7 by 4 the whole square. Let's see what is 2 times 7 by 4 the whole square. 2 times 7 square 49, that is by 4 square, that is 16. So 98 divided by 16 is 6.125 as decimal, or in fractions if you write is 6 1 by 8. So 6.125 plus 5. So we get it as 2 times x plus 7 by 4 the whole square minus 6.125 plus 5 is minus 1.125. So today we have discussed 3 different methods. One is to express in the form of x plus a the whole square plus b. Another one is in the form of x plus b the whole square plus c. And another one is a of x plus b the whole square plus c. So make sure that you are practicing more problems from the same topics so that it will be clear. Thank you.